It's important for us to put students in hands-on experiential learning environments so that they actually have an opportunity to work on multiple projects and multiple teams. This allows them to explore different industries and different technologies. In the fall semester, this is really designed to immerse students in this skills building, in this development of their network, and practicing the skills that are going to be with them forever.
This year, the students had the opportunity to work for the CEO of startups who are around about 24 months of existence. In the business development class, they could work on the app of a previous student who has raised 200K to launch it. They could work with a startup who has about 20 employees, who has just raised 4 million euros. In another class, they're going to learn how to scale a company with a former SKEMA alumni who has a company with turning over 10 million euros. They will learn how to build a team with someone who used to be the COO of a unicorn. Or, for example, they worked as well with one former SKEMA student who has just raised 9 million euros for his SaaS company. So they experience a lot as well working with entrepreneurs at various stages of development of a startup.
At SCET Berkeley in our classes, it's really important that we bring startups into the classroom. Not only just successful startups that have succeeded in garnering funding, but startups who can also share the difficulties of the journey, their challenges, their pivots. I think it's really important for young entrepreneurs to learn from others so that they can gain this experience and this confidence and this belief that they can actually do it. At SCET, our primary goal is to empower the next generation of technology entrepreneurs. But we also strongly believe that entrepreneurial values and skills are universally important in today's job market. Whether you want to start your own company, go to work for a startup, an established multinational company, or even build your family business, the skills you're going to learn and practice at SCET Berkeley are going to make you more competitive and more promotable in a global workplace.
We have to remember that in most OECD countries, small and medium businesses do represent 75% of the job market. Now, for our students, every single year, we have between 10 and 20% of the students who are launching a company just after the program. The remaining 80%, they will join the booming ecosystem of startups and scale-ups. In France, there is about 20,000 startups who are creating around 40,000 jobs every single year. Our students join these startups either in sales and marketing, in product management, or in more generalist function. Other students, they will join the entrepreneurship ecosystem, for example, working for incubators, working for accelerators, or working for open innovation entities of large companies. Finally, some of our students join consulting firms specialized in innovation.
At SCET, we are keenly aware that many students will not actually launch their startup. They will spend their semester with us, honing their skills, sharpening their opportunities, and building out their network, that we will stay engaged with them. Years down the road, if they come up with an idea and a new opportunity, we are still prepared at SCET to engage with them and work with them in the future.
For any alumni who wants to launch his company, we've got SKEMA Entrepreneur, the incubator of SKEMA Business School, which is open not only to students, but also to all our alumni who would like to launch a company 5 years or 10 years after leaving the school.